um, I I'm late for work. Oh no, I need to go to the Krusty Krab fast before Mr. Krabs fire me. Ah, come on, no, 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 no. No! Ow! Ow! Gladly I'm still alive. Ow! What the hell? Oh yeah, I forgot I'm a sponge. I feel no pain after all. Guys, we're gonna be so late. Mr. Krabs is gonna be so angry. Mr. Krabs, no, no, ow, ow! Mr. Krabs. SpongeBob, me boy. Come on, you're gonna be late for work. Okay, Mr. Krabs. It's just because of my stupid car. I put it into gear 2. No. SpongeBob, me boy, you okay? SpongeBob. SpongeBob. Let me take on SpongeBob. Come on, SpongeBob. I'm coming for you, boy. Let me help you. Oh, stupid. Squidward. You're gonna be 1,000,000 seconds late for work. Go in the kitchen and make me some money, eh? Oh, no, Mr. Krabs, I want you to do a car crash. No, oh. Oh. Oh, no. Why do I hear some car crashes outside? Okay, Mr. Krabs, I'm fine now. I'm at work. Okay, so go in the kitchen and make me some money. A few seconds later. Wait a minute. How do I get out? Ooh, I'm gonna be so late for my appointment in the Shady Shoals. Okay, now let's just stop with the SpongeBob stuff, and let's just act serious right now. Come on, no, whoa, no, whoa. No. Ow! Go in the kitchen. SpongeBob, what are you doing? Seconds late for work. Go in the kitchen and make me some money, eh? Shut up, Mr. Krabs. Shut the fuck up. listen here, Crabs. Me and Squidward quit. And me and Squidward gave the formula to Plankton. Well, SpongeBob, okay. But no, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs, no. Wait, Mr. Krabs, wait, where are you getting me to? Heaven. Ah! Ah, no, no, ah, 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 oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Going to kill. Oh no, oh no, ah, oh no, oh. Dad, yes, Pearly girl. Can you please? I want to go to the mall. No, that's enough mall for today. That's it. No, that's it. With you, I'm going to take your life. No, no, please, no, please, 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 no. You are going to let me work. Well, just Daddy, why would you do this? No, ow, ow. No, come on, Mr. Krabs. You could, I believe I could, you could fly, Mr. Krabs. No, I cannot. Ow! 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 Me back.